Okay. So guys, for the group one, go ahead, please.
Hello, sir. My name is Malay Jain. I'm third year student at SIRT College, AIML branch, and my teammate Brajesh Aherwal is also from SIRT College, AIML branch. Currently, we are presenting a project on the topic handwritten document structuring using AI. It was the basic idea is automatic text extraction and data organization. Sir, shall I share the meeting? PPT.
Of course, you can present the screen and as well as for the PPT and code too. Go ahead.
So, sir, sir, the
There is
presentation visible.
there is a network issue from your side. Just try to connect with a proper internet connection. Or else Brajesh can to explain. He is in good network connection. If
Yes,
Excuse
sir.
me, sir.
Malay, are you audible? Sir, are
yes,
you audible?
yeah,
Okay.
Malay, you are
So,
not audible properly. Brajesh, you can continue.
Okay, sir. So, my name is Brijesh Singh Agarwal, and I am from SIIT College from the sixth semester. And my teammate Malay is also from SIIT College, and he is also in sixth semester. So basically, we are working on the problem of handwritten document structuring using AI. Using AI, in this problem, we are just doing the handwritten notes. There are handwritten documents, so we are extracting just text of these notes or documents for the government purpose or etc purposes. We can use it. What the problem statement what the main issue in this uh, extraction, the we use the AI models, but the AI models are not. So can I continue in Hindi?
Obvious. You can use bilingual mode, not an issue.
Okay, sir. सर बेसिकली सर हमारी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम एक हैंड रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट टेक्स्ट एनालिसिस बनाना चाहते हैं जिसमें कि बहुत सारे टेक्स्ट जो रहते हैं या डॉक्यूमेंट्स वगैरह जो भी रहते हैं उनको उनका टेक्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए हम एक ऐसा सिस्टम बना रहे हैं उसमें सबसे बड़ा सर प्रॉब्लम सबसे बड़ा जो इशू आ रहा है उसका सर उसका ये है सबसे बड़ा जो इशू आ रहा है सर वो ये है कि जो ऑनलाइन मॉडल्स हैं वो भी इसको एक्सट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं जितना कि किया है और भी रिसर्च की थी सर उसके मुताबिक भी ये उतना एक्सट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो इसके लिए सर हम एक वेब या एक सिस्टम डिजाइन करना चाहते हैं सर तो हम इसमें ट्रेडिशनल ओसीआर सिस्टम यूज कर रहे हैं विथ एडवांस टेक्निक्स और सर इसमें अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा मार्क्स इंफॉर्मेशन रिट्रीवल चैलेंज मतलब अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा को यूज करके सर इसमें हम लोग टेक्स्ट को रिट्रीव कर रहे हैं इसके बाद मले कैन यू प्लीज टर्न द पेज और so just a minute. This is our AI approach. We use deep learning based OCR model with high accuracy using TR OCR or easy OCR or pedal OCR. So I use TR OCR further now, and the main issue is that in this they are not extracting the text properly. And the second one is AI based spelling correction. So इसमें मैंने NLP का यूज करके NLP का यूज करके इसका जो टेक्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्शन की जो कंडीशंस हैं उनको हाईली एक्यूरेसी के साथ बढ़ाया है, उसके बाद भी थोड़ा बहुत उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है। उसके बाद सर एक्यूमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट एडवांस डॉक्यूमेंट स्ट्रक्चरिंग, इंटेलिजेंट टेबल एंड की वैल्यू डिटेक्शन। एडवांस डॉक्यूमेंट स्ट्रक्चर में सर हम कर रहे हैं एडवांस में जो भी एक इमेज में टेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट के साथ साथ कॉमास और हाइफन्स हैशटैग्स वगैरह या जो भी टेबल या जैसा भी उसका स्ट्रक्चर किसी टाइप की इमेज वगैरह उसमें रहती हैं अगर इमेज में, तो उसको भी टेक्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए वो है। नेक्स्ट क्लाउड डिप्लॉयमेंट, इसके क्लाउड डिप्लॉयमेंट का भी सर अभी तो हुआ नहीं है, बट सर इसके बारे में भी हम लोग सर आई एम ऑडिबल।
Yeah, you are audible, and additionally जो लोग स्पीकर पे नहीं है, please mute your mic. Okay, please continue.
Okay, so thank you, sir. Sir, additionally, we are using cloud deployment. For now, I not use it because my model is not ready for now. So now for the project workflow and implementation strategy is that firstly we collect data from the open source like IAM data set which is present in Kaggle, and then I pre-process that data. Then I use the OCR text extraction and the layout understanding or the structure. Means sir, अगर किसी इमेज में कुछ भी होता है, जैसे कि जब भी किसी इमेज को या किसी पीडीएफ को अपन इस पर डालते हैं, मॉडल पर अपलोड करते हैं, तो सर उसमें बहुत सारी कंडीशंस आती हैं। जैसे कि सबसे पहला कंडीशन आता है सर, आप उसमें जो भी स्ट्रक्चर है ग्रे कलर्स का आता है, डायमेंशंस का आता है। जैसे भी डायमेंशंस आप उसमें यूज कर रहे हैं तो वो डायमेंशन क्लियरली डिफाइन नहीं रहते, उसके कारण भी ये इमेज प्रॉपर्ली लोड नहीं हो पाती है, और उसके कारण भी इसमें सब एरर आने के चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा रहते हैं। उसके कारण हम लोग ओसीआर और टेक्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्शन का यूज कर रहे हैं। उसके लिए लेआउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्ट्रक्चर, जैसा भी इमेज जो भी पास की है उस इमेज का लेआउट कैसा है, मतलब किस टाइप में वो प्रेजेंट कर रही है। जैसे कि वी कैन से जैसे कि एक इमेज है, उसमें आपको किसी तरीके का टेबल दिया है या किसी तरह का पाई चार्ट वगैरह, जो भी चार्ट्स रहते हैं, पाई चार्ट, वार चार्ट, वो सब अगर दिए हैं तो उनको कैसे एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे, उनको कैसे अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, उसके लिए सब इसमें है। नेक्स्ट सर स्कीमा एंड मैपिंग एंड डेटा एक्सपोर्ट। स्कीमा मैपिंग, सर स्कीमा मैपिंग में नेक्स्ट स्टेप ये है कि सर इसका जैसे भी आप सेव कर रहे हैं, जैसा इमेज आया है उसी स्कीमा में उस इमेज को एज अ कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज और मशीन कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज वी आर सेविंग दैट। नेक्स्ट सर technologies and tools used. So sir we used database and storage as SQL, एंड नेक्स्ट मॉडल में सर हमने अभी तक यूज किया है गूगल विजन किया था, टेक्स्ट रिएक्ट किया था, TROCR किया था। नेक्स्ट सर लेआउट डॉक्यूमेंट एक्सट्रैक्शन में टेबल नेट सर, ये अभी हम लोग इस पर काम कर रहे हैं, जैसे ही ये होगा हम इसको भी यूज कराएंगे। नेक्स्ट सर बैकएंड एंड एपीआई में सर पाइथन फ्लास्क पाइथन का यूज किया है, और सर अभी तक फास्ट एपीआई और फ्लास्क का यूज नहीं किया है, क्योंकि सर अभी तक हमारा मॉडल रेडी उतना प्रॉपर आउटपुट नहीं दे रहा है एज आई कैन शो यू इन माई कोड। ओके सर। नेक्स्ट सर एनएलपी एंड स्कीमा मैपिंग में सर एनएलपी में हमने ट्रांसफॉर्मर यूज किया है, टोकनाइजेशन यूज किया है, टोकनाइजेशन के साथ पीएलटी प्लेटलाइजेशन P4 यूज किया है सर इसमें, और नेक्स्ट नेम एंटिटी NERV यूज किया है। नेक्स्ट सर यूज केस सबसे ज्यादा यूज के सर इसका आता है गवर्नमेंट रिकॉर्ड्स में। गवर्नमेंट रिकॉर्ड्स जैसे कि सर कोई भी ऑफिसर्स है उनके जो लेटर्स वगैरह रहते हैं, वो लेटर्स को रिकॉग्नाइज करके उनको एज अ फॉर्मेट में लाना। नेक्स्ट हेल्थ केयर में भी सर इसका बहुत सारा यूज आता है, जैसे कि डॉक्टर्स का किसी का कुछ भी रहता है तो उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना एंड देन उस पर फर्दर प्रोसेस करना। लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट में भी है, और सर एजुकेशन सेक्टर में भी इसका बहुत ज्यादा यूज है। सो फर्दर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन conclusion and future enhancement. Currently we implemented deep learning. अभी तक सर हमने deep learning based OCR मॉडल का यूज किया है और स्पेलिंग बेस्ड स्पेल करेक्शन का यूज किया है, और सर इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मर, NAR और NLP का भी बहुत काफी यूज है। क्लाउड डिप्लॉयमेंट फॉर स्केलेबिलिटी, सर अभी तक क्लाउड का यूज नहीं किया है, वी आर फर्दर यूजिंग दिस। फ्यूचर एनहेंसमेंट, सेल्फ लर्न, सर फ्यूचर में हम इसको ऐसा रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग का यूज करके सेल्फ लर्निंग बेस्ड बनाना चाहते हैं, जिससे कि अगर कोई भी इमेज हम हमारे मॉडल को पास करते हैं तो वो खुद से ही लर्न करके, खुद से ही वो उसको लर्न करके उसका पैटर्न रिकॉग्नाइज करके उसको अपनी मेमोरी में सेव कर ले, ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी उसे कुछ यूज करना हो, जब भी उस टाइप की इमेज आए या उस रिलेटेड किसी भी टाइप की इमेज आए, तो वो उस पर फर्दर प्रोसेस करके आए। और अगर इसका प्रिडिक्शन या कुछ टेक्स्ट गलत आता है तो वो उस पर रिवार्ड की जगह पेनाल्टी लगाकर मॉडल को ये बता सके कि हमारा मॉडल गलत प्रिडिक्ट कर रहा है और उसमें एनहेंसमेंट की जरूरत है। नेक्स्ट, ऑटोमेटेड कंस्टेंट बेस्ड टेबल एक्सट्रैक्शन।
Okay, Brajesh, can you proceed towards the code now?
ओके सर। Yes, sir. So this is my code that I write in Google Colab. So, sir, firstly, I install the dependencies that are PyRTTX and Transformer Torch. Torch for deep learning and Transformers for NLP tasks. And PyRTTX, PyRT React is for model use. So now we use the model in this
Start
code.
with your input image.
सर इनपुट इमेज, सर मैंने लास्ट में फंक्शन बनाया है उसका, एज अ फंक्शन मैं उस इनपुट इमेज को पास कर रहा हूँ। ये
Okay, तो
मेरी
शो कर
इमेज।
दो।
यस सर। स्क्रीनशॉट। सर दैट इज माय इमेज।
Okay, and what is the extraction you are getting?
So currently we are not extracting right too much code, too much text, because sir, I implemented these models, but these models are currently not working well. I सर मैं इसमें फर्दर और एनहेंसमेंट करके थोड़ा और ट्राई करता हूँ सर।
सी, आपका प्रेजेंटेशन लास्ट टाइम मिस हुआ था, डेट इज फाइन। ये
यस
आउटपुट
सर।
है आपका? नहीं,
सॉरी सर।
आई थिंक नहीं नहीं, सॉरी वाली वाली कोई बात नहीं है। देखो,
यस सर।
यू इजी ओसीआर यू मेंशन्ड, कोड ट्राई करा था उसका?
यस सर, मैंने इजी OCR का भी कोड ट्राई किया था।
हाँ, क्या आउटपुट है?
सर जस्ट 1 मिनट सर, आई एम शोइंग यू। सर उसका आउटपुट भी जितने भी मॉडल मैंने यूज किया, अभी OCR का भी किया था, ओपन AI का भी किया था, बट उनमें सर टेक्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, जैसे कि सर मैंने इधर किया था एक्सट्रैक्टेड टेक्स्ट वर्ड, टेक्स्ट एक्सट्रैक्टेड कर रहा है, लेकिन सर उतना सफिशिएंट नहीं कर पा रहा है बिल्कुल भी।
ओके, तो ना
यस सर।
देखो, गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, पहले तो देखो, अभी ये ना, मैं अभी वो आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर देयर और नॉट, सबसे अच्छा कोऑर्डिनेशन अभी तुम सब में हुआ है ग्रुप 3 का। दे आर कोऑर्डिनेटिंग अमंग्स देमसेल्व्स, वो अपना कोड भी डाल रहे हैं, दोनों बंदे इंडिविजुअल एंगल से काम कर रहे हैं।
यस
ठीक
सर।
है, एंड दे आर शेयरिंग द कोड एंड कोऑर्डिनेटिंग विद ईच अदर। ठीक है।
ओके सर।
सो अब तुम्हारे लिए क्या इनपुट्स हैं? किसी, देखो अब मैं इस पे तो बता नहीं सकता, तुम्हें पता आउटपुट नहीं आया है।
यस
ठीक?
सर।
अभी फर्दर स्टेप्स तुम क्या करो कि फर्स्ट क्रिएट अ सिंपल वर्ड फाइल एंड उसमें पेस्ट करो कि ये मेरा इनपुट, मेरा पेज है।
ओके।
ओके, क्योंकि
ओके।
तुम कोलैब यूज कर रहे हो, आई कांट आस्क यू टू मेक अ डिफाइंड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर जो तुम्हारे एमएल प्रोजेक्ट्स में होता है,
ओके
वरना
सर।
वरना मैं तुम्हें वो बोलता। नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन रन डिफरेंट मॉडल्स जो तुमने करे हैं ऑलरेडी, एंड
यस सर।
हर एक मॉडल के बाद उसका एक वर्ड आउटपुट जो है पेस्ट करो।
ओके सर।
ओके, क्योंकि तुम्हारा अगर ओसीआर आएगा देन ओनली व्हाट विल हैपन इज you can like run your LLM models or APIs over it to
Yes, sir.
create a schema and a key in a JSONized format and then rearrange that to render it in a final document.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what I want from you is I want you to take the same input image. I want you
Okay.
to run all the models that you have run, but in a clear defined format that this is the output I'm getting.
Okay.
Okay, and other than that, explore one more thing that's uh, like check out the visual LLMs. Have you tried out visual LLMs?
No, sir. Right now,
Okay,
I didn't
okay,
try.
open Hugging Face and like open Google and search for VLLMs.
Okay, sir.
Now, right now, do it right now.
Okay, sir.
VLLM, Hugging Face, Hugging Face, Hugging Face.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just search that. Yeah, open it. Now, these are some models that are there.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
this Zephyr is a model, and there is a version of Quen as well, which is also open source.
Okay,
Okay, so
sir.
you like go through this. What it does is essentially takes your image, converts it to an embedding model, and then it allows you to ask questions from it. So it works in a different way than OCR, not actually giving you the characters but the embeddings.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is one thing you can search for. Another thing is Colpali.
What's up?
Colpali. You can search for it in Google again.
Okay.
Colpali. Embeddings. Yeah. So this can solve your problem in a way.
Okay, sir.
Now
Sir,
try
because
out. Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
सर मैंने अभी तक सर एक नहीं सर इजी ओसीआर नहीं सर बहुत सारे मॉडल कम से कम 8 से 10 मॉडल यूज कर लिए हैं इधर भी टीआर ओसीआर इजी ओसीआर ओपन एआई
टारगेट
और
क्या
भी
है
सर
हमारा? हमको रिसर्च पेपर लिखना है, राइट?
यस सर
तो मेरे को फेल्ड केसेस भी तो दिखाने पड़ेंगे।
यस सर
तो फेल्ड केसेस तो तुमने सेव ही नहीं करे।
ओके सर
ये आई एग्री, तुमने रन करे होंगे एंड देन
यस
यू
सर
माइट हैव नॉट फाउंड द आउटपुट, देन यू वुड हैव स्किप्ड।
यस सर डोनट भी यूज किया था बट सर उनका कुछ भी आउटपुट जैसा मुझे चाहिए था वैसा सेटिस्फेक्शन वाला आउटपुट ही नहीं आ रहा
लाइक
सर
समझ गया आई कर होता है ये, मैं समझ गया, यूज कर चुका हूँ ये सब, ठीक है। तुम
यस
एक
सर
काम करो, एक्सट्रैक्शन का एक वो तुम खुद मैनुअली एक बार इसको अपलोड करो चैट जीपीटी पे, गेट अ
ओके
ओसीआर फ्रॉम दैट एंड देन यू क्रिएट अ कोसाइन मेट्रिक फॉर योर सेल्फ where you
ओके
take the extracted output of these models versus the actual text which you will save, okay, in a string format। फिर तुम
ओके
मैप करके एक वो टेबल बना लो कि हर मॉडल का कितना कोसाइन आ रहा है तुम्हारे एक्सट्रैक्शन से।
यस सर
So you will have like before proposing a new model, you can make a comparison table of existing models.
ओके
Okay, and it can also serve as a survey paper that तुम्हारे already in existence models जो हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं।
ओके सर
Okay, तो इतना करो फिर एंड लाइक अगेन कम्युनिकेट करो ग्रुप में। आई डोंट थिंक मेरे को ज्यादा पिंग्स आए हैं डिफरेंट ग्रुप से।
यस
अनदर
सर
वन इज योर ग्रुप एज वेल।
ओके सर
ओके, या
ओके सर
दैट्स ऑल प्रशांत सर।
थैंक यू सर
Okay, so thank you so much, Ayush sir, for the feedback and all the other things. Brajesh and Malay, take it
यस
out और next time पे इसको implement करके be ready with
ओके
the results.
ओके
All
सर
the all the best. So I'm calling to group two.
ओके सर
Group number two. Group number two. Okay, so moving forward, group three.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, Tanesh. How's you?
Yes, sir. I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good. Thank you so much. So share your screen and start with the proper introduction as I instructed in the initial stage.
Sure, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tanish Gupta, and I am from Allahabad, and I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in AI/ML. I'm in my final year, and I'm from United College of Engineering Research. My partner name is Tharun A, but currently he is not able to attend the presentation, PPT presentation. So I am taking over it. So our project is Authentic Track. So I want to start with a little introduction. With the rise of AI generated content, ensuring digital ownership is becoming increasingly challenging. Our project Authentic Track provides an innovative watermarking system that protects digital content from unauthorized AI training. So होता क्या है कि
ते
आजकल जो
एकदम
हमारा
राहील ना ते आता तेवढं दिवस केलं नाही नाही तेवढे दिवस तू केलंच
महेश, ये आपकी साइड से सेकंड टाइम है. नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल बी किक्ड आउट फ्रॉम द सेशन. गॉट इट? या प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
सॉरी. सो एक्चुअली होता क्या है कि जो हमारा आजकल के कंटेंट्स एआई मॉडल जो हमारा जनरेटिव एआई मॉडल्स होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं कि हमारा डेटा पूरा वास्ट डेटा हमको कहीं से भी अवेलेबल हो जाता है. एआई एजेंट्स को तो और भी इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाता है. तो क्या करते हैं कि वो सारे डेटा को यूज करके अपना आउटपुट बना के हम लोग को जनरेट करके शो कर देते हैं. सो हम लोग ने एक ऐसी टेक्निक यूज करने की कोशिश करी है जिससे हम जो डेटा जिस जिस ओनर का है जिसने उसको क्रिएट किया है वो एक उस पर अपना खुद का टैग या कुछ ऐसा मार्क कर सके जिसकी वजह से कि एआई को प्रिवेंशन हो सके कि विदाउट कंसेंट हम उस डेटा को मतलब एआई से प्रिवेंट कर सके कि वो कोई और उसको यूज ना कर पाए. इसके लिए पहले हम प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट को समझेंगे. प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट तो यही है कि एआई मॉडल स्क्रैप पब्लिक डेटा विदाउट कंसेंट. तो क्या करता है कि वो पब्लिक का जो डेटा होता है विदाउट किसी भी कंसेंट के उसको पिक कर लेता है और अपने यूज में ले आता है. और दूसरी चीज क्या होता है कि लिमिटेशन ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल वाटर मार्किंग. इसमें ये है कि जो हमारा मॉडल रहता है वो एक्चुअली पूरा डेटा भी नहीं उठाता है, उसमें से कुछ स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न्स छाट लेता है. जैसे हमने किसी चीज में अगर अभी तक की जो टेक्नोलॉजीज उसमें मार्क कर देते हैं फिर भी वो क्या करता है कि जो पैटर्न उठा लेता है. अगर पूरा डेटा उठाता है, अगर हमारा कोई भी एआई मॉडल जो ट्रेन हुआ है वो कोई अगर पूरा डेटा उठाता है तो उसमें से वो बता देता है, मतलब उसमें उसमें टैगिंग उसको मिल जाती है. बट वो क्या करता है कि अब आजकल उसमें से एक पैटर्न एक्सट्रैक्ट करता है. जब पैटर्न एक्सट्रैक्ट करता है तो वो जो हमारा मार्किंग अभी जो मार्किंग हो रही होती है वो या तो फेडेड हो जाती है या तो पूरी एब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है उसी डेटा में, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग उसको प्रिवेंट नहीं कर पाते हैं आगे जो है उसको मतलब डेटा को यूज करने से हम उसको रोक नहीं पाते हैं. अब हम लोग इसमें तीन तरीके के हम लोग ने टास्क सोचे थे, एक टेक्स्ट में, एक इमेजेस में और म्यूजिक में. और अगर इमेजेस में सक्सेसफुल रहा तो हम लोग इसको जो है फर्दर आगे प्रोसीड करके कि हम वीडियो में भी इसी तरीके के डेटा जो हम लोग को होता है उसमें भी हम लोग कर सके. तो टेक्स्ट में करने के लिए बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं. जैसे हम लोग फेस पैटर्न कर सकते हैं प्लस जीरो बिट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम लिंग्विस्टिक स्टेगनोग्राफी भी कहते हैं. इसमें क्या होता है कि जो हमारा डेटा रहता है, हमारा जो डेटा रहता है उसमें एक्चुअली क्या वो हिडन हिडन कुछ कोड्स को जो है उसमें हमारी टेक्स्ट फाइल में ऐड कर देता है जो कि ह्यूमंस के लिए इनविजिबल रहेगा बट वो उसमें रहता है. और उसके बाद इमेजेस इमेजेस में हम फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन ट्रिक्स कहते हैं, डीसीटी फॉर रोबस्टनेस. इसमें क्या होता है जो फ्रीक्वेंसी रहती है उसमें फ्रीक्वेंसीज में वो एक इंक्रिप्शन प्रोवाइड करता है जिसकी वजह से हमारा जो इमेजेस रहती है उसके मेन उसका उसमें चेंज तो नहीं आता है कि वो कैसे दिख रही है या उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है, बट उसके अंदर भी एक इंक्रिप्शन हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से हमको पता रहता है कि एक तरह का इसमें मार्क लग गया है. म्यूजिक में भी हम लोग साइको एकॉस्टिक मास्किंग करते हैं. इसमें भी क्या करता है जो उसकी म्यूजिक की फ्रिक्वेंसीज रहती है उसमें भी एक वो हिडन फ्रिक्वेंसी को इनबिल्ट कर देता है जो कि इनऑडिबल रहती है, जो कि जिसको हम सुन नहीं सकते हैं. बट वो क्या करता है कि हम लोग उसको जो है जो जो एआई एम्बेडर्स रहते हैं जो उसको ट्रैक कर सकते हैं स्पेसिफिक, वो से उसको डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, बट ह्यूमन उसको डिटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो ये तीन क्राइटेरियाज हैं जिसमें जो है कि हम लोग ऐसे इनबिल्ड कर सकते हैं और उसके बाद में वो उसको रीड करेगा. और मतलब ह्यूमंस के लिए तो बिल्कुल ही नॉट एबल टू डिटेक्ट दैट, बट जो एआई हम लोग एजेंट से मॉडल ट्रेन करेंगे वो जो है उसको डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. हम लोग इसमें डिटेक्शन पाइपलाइंस भी यूज करते हैं, टीएफ आईडीएफ एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं और पैटर्न स्कैनर्स फॉर इमेज एंड म्यूजिक के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. जैसा कि मैंने बताया था कि जीरो विद कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में हम इनविजिबल यूनिकोड कैरेक्टर्स को एम्बेड करते हैं। इसमें हम लोग ने कुछ तरीके शो करे हैं, जैसे कि हमने एक कोई कोड को उसमें हमने उसको एम्बेड करने की कोशिश करी है। जो हमारा मेन टेक्स्ट रहता है, टेक्स्ट हमारे जैसे जापानीज में है, तो हमने उसमें कैसे स्पेसिफिक टोकन या कोई ऐसा कोड जनरेट करने की कोशिश करी है जो कि सिर्फ एआई उसको रीड कर पाए, जो हम मॉडल ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, और वही उसमें एम्बेड कर पाए, मतलब उसमें अटैच कर पाए। इमेजेस में हम लोग डिस्क्रीट कोसाइन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस, यानी कि जैसे जो फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन्स होते हैं उसके, जैसे कि कोई इमेज है, उसका कौन सा पिक्सल कितना डार्क में है, कितना लाइट है, कौन सा पिक्सल है, तो उसमें हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि उसकी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी जितनी निकल के आ रही होती है, उसमें कुछ कंप्यूटेशंस होते हैं और कुछ उसके मतलब कुछ मैथमेटिकल फंक्शंस होते हैं, जिसके थ्रू हम जो है इस पे ये टेक्निक अप्लाई करते हैं, जिससे हमको एक एट द एंड एक हमको स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन मिलता है, जिसकी वजह से हम उसको कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि ये इमेज थी और इसके एट द एंड हमको ये वाली इमेज मिलनी चाहिए। बेसिकली एक की टाइप का जनरेट होता है। अगर वो की एक्सेप्टेबल रहती है तो वो की को जो है वो समझ जाता है कि इसमें एम्बेडिंग हुई है, और अगर वो की इसमें डिटेक्ट नहीं होती, वो फंक्शन जो होता है, और अगर वो नहीं होता है तो उसका मतलब एआई समझ जाता है कि ये जो है फॉरबिडेड है, इसको यूज नहीं करना है। कंक्लूजन हमारा ये है कि हम एक लाइट वेट सिस्टम बनाना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि जो अभी करेंटली जो सिस्टम्स हैं वो बहुत हैवी है, कंप्यूटेशनल उनकी कॉस्ट बहुत हैवी है, या वो बहुत टाइम टाइम टेकिंग है, या कई बार तो वो डिटेक्ट ही नहीं होती है। तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि जो डेटा सेट है वो बहुत इजिली आइडेंटिफाई हो सके, हमारा जो मेन डेटा है वो चेंज ना हो किसी भी तरह की ट्रेनिंग में, उसमें कोई भी चेंजेस ना आए, और हम स्पेसिफिकली बहुत इजिली उसको जो है इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाए, जो हमारा मॉडल है बहुत इजिली उसको यूज कर पाए। And I want to show my code. Actually, Tharun tried code for the images, but he is not able to perform it right now. But he is continuously doing for that. I created this code, which I think it's not working properly. It sometimes shows the file is embedded, or it sometimes shows the main file is not. I use the testing text file. I want to show some demo, but basically it takes the input and perform the embedding. As we can see, it extracted watermark. It successfully generated and watermark and embedded in the text. Okay, so 38135. So it generated a watermark. Uh, So this is the text which I am using for it. So this is the watermark test, which is seeing like same, but it encrypted the basically extracted watermark in it, but we can't see it. So it is working for some cases, but if I use this in other cases, then it shows the embedding without performing the task. And I also created a detection model which can detect the file. As we can see, it can also detect the watermark detected shows. Uh, Ayushman sir shared a code which is more accurate. Uh, we put the code in the group, and Ayushman sir provided this code. We are currently examining it, how to do it. I also use the Chat GPT model, Chat GPT 2 model. Let me show. But its computing cost is so high that my system is not able to perform it.
That is fine. See, what have you gone through this code which I had shared yesterday?
No, sir, currently I am not able to do that.
Okay, so what you do is from your WhatsApp, just directly open the code, not in Collab, just direct, because see, I cannot see all the outputs here. So
Okay, sir.
since you load it in Collab, it will kind of omit the cells which have already run.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Just
I
open
tried
that
my
file in like VS Code or something.
VS Code and something. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Go down to this imports and dataset loading. Yeah. Move down further. So these were the embeddings that you were using, right?
Yes, sir.
The zero width characters.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. So the basic aspect of why this is not working, as I had told you in the group as well, is you haven't considered the probability of these words, great, bad, terrible, film, actually occurring in the context that you are taking in.
Oh, okay, sir.
So, for
Hmm.
example, if you're taking a movie script, let's say Fast and Furious 6, okay,
Yes, sir.
so you have to embed taggers or synonym map on the basis of that script.
Hmm.
If you take a different movie, let's say this Oppenheimer, and try to use the same tag from a previous movie, your synonym
Hmm.
map will most likely not work, or it might work
Not
not to
possible.
that extent, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
So
Oh,
I already have something made for you guys, but I won't reveal it to you right now.
oh,
Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
I have given you this code. This has, so whatever you were not able to correctly run or structure your code, the code that you have sent on the group. So
Okay.
this is a whole structured thing where I am also like gave you the code of fine tuning the GPT-2 model
Hmm.
using your, like, I'm just using 5 rows of data, and this will probably run on your PC as well if you have Ubuntu installed.
Not
Which
currently, sir,
G
possible.
which GPU do you have?
So, there is no GPU. I have already integrated GPU in my system, but
Okay,
Tharun
fine.
is,
So
yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, got it. So you can run this on Colab. There's no issue. This code will function the same because I've been running it on Ubuntu itself, so you won't find any like OS error issues.
Okay, sir.
So it will function the same, and you will also get a training graph and everything because we are not uploading any data set. We are just saving models and calling that. Yeah, see
Yes,
this.
sir.
If you have run this, so this is what you will get. We are just using 5 rows of data, so it will train quite fast, train up quite
Hmm.
fast. Other than that, because if you use the complete data set, it actually on my PC it took me about 6 to 7 hours to just run 3 epochs, and each epoch had about 100 steps.
Okay, sir.
So probably don't use the complete data set and scroll to the bottom.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is the main thing you have to focus on.
Oh,
That's how you actually know by using some metrics, that is green token ratio and Z score, that is there in your zero width embeddings, to detect if your watermarking was successful or not.
so this is the final result we have to show, like Z score
Yes,
and ratio and green token ratio. Okay.
exactly. So you have to show that this fine-tuned variable turns to true and your base remains false.
Fine tuned is true and okay.
So I've
I
given you the
understand.
complete framework. Now it's up to you guys. Let's see what you do in a week.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, and send me over that image embedding code. Probably I'll help out there as well.
Sir, Tharun already shared that code, I think. Yes, sir.
Don't you can ping it up on chat. I'll
O-
look into that in the evening.
Okay,
Fine, we
sir,
can
sure.
proceed to the next group, sir. Prashant, sir.
Okay, sure. So hmm, take care for the feedbacks and be
Yes, sir.
better in the next round.
Thank you, sir.
So we are heading for the next group, group 4.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. My
Very
name
good
is
evening.
sir, myself Vansh Kakkar,
Yeah.
and
Once
my Vansh Kakkar.
do the
Yes,
screen
sir.
sharing first.
Sure. Is my screen visible?
Perfectly fine.
So, so this is so. My name is Vansh Kakkar, and I am a third year BTech student at Netaji Subhash University of Technology, and my partner, Mr. Paras Monoli, is a fourth year NKO CET student from Maharashtra, and he couldn't be available today, so I'll be presenting. So our project was AI powered personalized marketing assistant. So so we tr- so we were tasked with making an AI agent that is able to give personalized recommendations and uh, provide advertisement insights based on the user search and interests. So,
Can
sir,
you do a full screen mode once?
sure, sir. Just a minute. Just a moment. Actually, sir, मैं आपको शायद मैं इसका PDF दिखाता हूँ. Is this better? Hello?
Yeah, you can
Is,
try. You
is this
can
better?
try, but just take care of it कि पूरे screen पे visible हो. Yeah, perfectly fine.
Okay, sir. So here's our PPT. First, we aim to use NLP and RAG model for creating a personalized AI powered assistant. Along with that, we want to make sure that based on the user search history, we are able to give personal recommendation using collaborative filtering and the two tower approach using both item and user entities. So we conducted a literature review on based on as it was some of the research papers were provided in the PDF. Others we others we sought out and to learn about various mechanisms in modern AI based marketing. And so therefore we decided first step was the collection of data. At first we explored Kaggle data sets from Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, etc. But we then came to know that web scraping should be the best thought way forward. So we started working on making web scraping pipelines uh, to store to store important user data or product informations from real-time websites in the through using embeddings and vector databases. So our pipeline development aims to be this way. First, we have used a scraper. We have used Selenium to store important information about users and their search histories. Along with it, after that, our first approach would be using collaborative filtering or two-tower recommendation system to give the most suitable and appropriate create recommendations on for each user based on their actions and preferences. Other the future scope can have a conversational AI to help user to to give an interactive user experience for better ad recommendations and websites. Along with that, we will also be analyzing the user information through graphical database and neural networks. Now, at the end, we shall try to host our pipeline on cloud using AWS or GCP, and until then, we are currently working on efficient web scraping and storing those data, storing personal user history using Chrome APIs in vector databases. So, sir, these are the potential challenges that we are facing. Like, for example, we are not able to scrape data from e-commerce websites as it is because many of them have scraping um, difficulties, and there are certain guidelines which we will have to follow. So we are using proxy servers for that, but they also have certain network. We are also encountering certain network issues due to which. And so maybe so may I proceed to the code? Hello?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. So this is our code. We are this are we tried a basic first we wanted a proof of concept or how we'll go about extracting information from websites for our models. And so we use the Gemini API key for creating embeddings and Pinecone vector database to store our information. Here, as you can see, we are scraping the website. We have used an example usage of a random website for now. and we are also we are researching on other websites which we can use, and the web and we have created an index called web scrape data where we are storing our specific information which we need. So, sir, just to demonstrate, we have our vector database. Here it has stored. Here are this the vector data. Here we have stored all the URLs and the specific sections of the data which we require through embeddings. Along with that, sir, we are still working on implementing collaborative filtering. But before that, we are trying to store as much as data as we can. And apart from that, we are working on using Chrome APIs for storing for gaining insights into the users specific specific searches to target the most important websites. Yes. That's it.
Okay, once see, first understand, open the first slide of your PPT.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it says AI powered personalized marketing assistant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I think you have not attended the other groups which have got the same project. Okay, so I told them one thing here is that using you have used Pinecone, that is fine. Great work on that. I would have preferred if you would have used Qdrant, working on the same architecture and working in the same manner. That
Can
is
you
fine.
repeat the name?
Qdrant.
Student. Okay. Okay.
It's not much different in functionality, but it kind of teaches you how to work with your OS a little better.
Okay, sir. I
Okay,
understand.
so that is fine. No issues there. But see, it's important where you get the data from.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have taken just Wikipedia, then that's not good.
Yes, sir. Actually, that was we were encountering certain difficulties with storing embeddings and the vector and connecting to a database. So we tried with so it was just for our understanding and just for helping us familiarize ourselves with the entire pipeline. Of course, we'll be using Chrome APIs to get the get the user search history, the with the consent of the user.
Don't think in that complicated manner. First, see what you can do is I'll just tell you what was that? Just a second. Let me see. I have it in my extensions. Okay. Open your this SEO. There is a app called SEO Quick. You can add that to your this. Let me give you a bit of quick. Not Yeah, this one. Open this extension, Chrome Web Store extension.
This one?
Chrome Web Store.
Wait. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, third one. So you add this to your extensions and start using this. You'll get some metrics like this.
Okay.
So this is a bit of domain knowledge for you. So what you can do is you can make a Google search API on your own. It already exists within Python. And then what you can do is you can get the top 5 links.
Okay.
Now, like if you do a bit of research, I won't reveal the library right now. You'll get a API which takes in the URL of the link and then gives you a history of SEO of it. Like what is the domain age? What is the average traffic that goes into that link? Metrics
Okay.
like that.
Okay. Okay.
And on the basis of that, if you filter just the first page of what you get out of a Google search, so there are probably 10 websites that are displayed without your the promotions. About 10 websites are displayed on each page of Google.
Yes.
Okay, and now each of them have certain rank, certain traffic, and certain indexing. Now, what you have to do is create a database out of that and get the text out of each of those like websites. You can move to the second page as well and so on. and then you can do your vector indexing, and then you can do your search query retrieval, and then use your LMs to get the product description.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
main thing is first getting the data. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
it's not your, yeah, see, fine, it you have used Pinecone, just proceed with Pinecone right now. I'll make you implement Qdent later on. Right now, just go ahead with the architecture you're using right now, and then first work on where will I get the data in an open source fashion, and then you'll also run into some issues of having JavaScript text and not the exact data. So then you'll need to work on the this scraping bots.
I see.
So
Okay, sir.
that's a rather tedious process rather than what you just made right now.
Okay, sir. So, so just to recap for my understanding, sir, SEO you can use SEO Quake to store uh the traffic on each
This
website.
is just for your understanding. SEO quick is just for your understanding, where you will get the amount, like you this. I don't think so. SEO quick has an API. You can search, like I haven't actually explored that, I would say.
Okay,
So so if you're able to get that data from here, that is fine. But this is for your understanding, that you understand how SEO works and what are the actual metrics involved in traffic, website
okay,
traffic. So if
okay,
you want to see the project's outcome, is to take the already listed products and get their funnel, and then implement and give the user the idea of how to implement that same funnel, which has been implemented for similar products.
okay, sir.
You understand the core idea, right? Now, like, if we just forget about how we do what we are going to do, that's the basic idea. From the
Yes,
search history and product history deployments of previous products, I have to create a funnel for my own product.
yes.
Got
Okay,
it? So yeah,
got it.
work on this.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Uh, sir,
Yeah.
sir, so, um, just to know, till 30th of March, we have to, in the portal, we have to upload. It shows a PDF. It will only accept a PDF or a PPT. So what is all is expected till then?
You can share your IPUI and be converted to a PDF.
Okay, actually we are working on on VS Code itself in PY in Flask applications, but sure.
Then
So
then you can upload your results in a like a Word document, converted to a PDF. Like
okay,
you can just write your architecture, your steps taken, and the results of each steps.
okay. So basically a report, something
Yeah, report.
like a report. Okay, understood.
I'll prefer code, but if not, you can always write up a report. But
Oh, oh
see,
yes,
we
sir.
don't have much time left. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so fast and forward, moving towards the next group.
Sir, am I audible to you?
Yeah, Pari, your voice is a bit low.
Okay. Let me just make some corrections. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible. There isn't quite a little part of echo itself. So एक बार try करो थोड़ा सा अच्छे environment में. And दूसरा, fast forward sum up करना. We have two more groups.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
But you just open your PPT, give just the intro from a few slides, not all of them, and then let's proceed towards the code.
Yeah, sure. Now I guess I'm audible enough, right? Okay. My screen visible.
Yeah. Network issue. There is an Probably network issue from your side. आपके पार्टनर कौन है?
Yeah, let me introduce about my team. Uh, I am the lead of my team, and there is a member who is working with me. His name is Satyam Kumar, and he currently is not talking to you as of some issues by his end, but he is tracking every single point of his presentation and every single point that you will be giving me and the takeaways of the presentation. So I really think that you will understand his shoes. Hello, hello.
Yeah. You are audible. Are you, sir? Is this perfect?
Yeah, it's fine.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So okay, so we were assigned with the project named as AI-powered judicial decision-making system, just to resolve the backlogs with the traditional judicial system that we have, having lots and lots of trials, and you have to go to the court, and you have to be physically available to get the justice or the verdict that may be in your favor or may not be in your favor. So this is the judicial system to cut down the backlogs that the traditional system has. Just so ease the environment is just a fun fact. I've ever wondered why some court cases take longer than your visa delivery. So there are some issues with our traditional system, which are backlogs, inconsistent verdicts, and snail-paced trials. So it may take years, it may take a decade to get to your trial, get your verdict. And the verdict may not be in your favor. Maybe the justice is not right enough. Maybe due to your cultural background, due to some political background of people, you may not get the perfect justice that you are looking for. So the AI the system that we are working on, the speed up the case resolutions, consistent and fair decision would be our priority, and accessible justice is the thing that we are working on. So we are here is because there are 4.5 crores pending cases in India currently that were not yet been justified. So this system ensures
Okay,
consistent
Pari, can
ruling
you move
and
towards the
promotes
methodology,
transparency.
like the
Yeah,
process of the code
sure.
that you're trying to implement? We are actually a
So
little
am I supposed
low
to
on
share
time.
you the code?
Otherwise, I would have like let you speak and everything.
Okay. Let me share you the code itself, right?
From the like from where, not just the code, you can start with your progress slide, and then we can move to the code.
Okay, all right. So these are the steps that we are working on and we need to execute in the future till before the deadline. So this is the GPT-4. Let me just GPT-4. We are using GPT-4 and BERT to due to as a database because it has 200,000 plus cases and Indian Kanun API for our database. Then we need to make different phrases that will be AI judge, AI jury that I'm gonna tell you in the later slide. Voting and deliberation and successful integration of API. So in our model, first phase would be LLM fine-tuning. Second phase would be AI jury development. Third would be voting deliberation, and fourth would be integration of API. So GT board models function of 200,000 plus Indian legal case judgment expected from Indian Kanun. And it has increased 20 to 25% accuracy in the results or the verdicts as compared to the database that the normal generalized database. These databases are very accurate and will help the model to increase its efficiency with 20 to 25%. So 5 distinct AI agents that we need to include in it, which will be formalized agent, realism agent, or originalist agent, equity agent, and originalist agent. Then we have voting relation. Voting relation means after the verdict, you need to vote. The person need to vote to get the results. If the vote is below 75%, the verdict will be declined, and rather it will be accepted. Rather, legal database integration we will be using, as I have mentioned before, I'll be using the Indian Common API for the legal database integration. Then the phases of our models, I've already defined it. Let me move on with the other slides. So these are the things that went well during our model, and few things are there that could be better with our model. So LLM fine tuning have a pretty much good accuracy, but not to the point that we are expecting. It is below our expectation, but better. AI jury deliberation, Indian configuration, and explainable AI that went well. These are the things that could be better. So, and there are a few things that need to be started now that needs to stop and will be continued. Not be explaining, and there are a few things that I need to discuss due to the lack of time. I'll explain you the code, and I'll show that I'll discuss it in the group itself. So yeah, let me show you my code.
Okay, let's see the code now.
Yeah. So this is the code that we have. It has we have a data scraping part. There is some issue with the session that I'm running right now. It is not working due to some issues. So I don't think I will be able to give you the complete response. Let me try again. Your session restarted after a crash. It's not working due to some reasons, and I don't know what's the issue. I need to look over it. I can show you the code. I will show you the code by today evening. With the outputs, I'll make you a report.
Your import is
So you
missing.
know the progress on the code.
You have not.
Import.
Yeah, import
No,
beautiful.
there is import. Yeah, there is, but it's not taking as loading the session. The older session is being declined. There is some issue with
Fine, can you show me the agent
and
formation
look,
code?
like we have only done the fine tuning phase, which needs pre-processing, fine tuning of LLM, and data splitting. These three things that we have completed till now.
Pari, can you, okay, fine. If I say that this database is downloaded, what after that? Let's say it's downloaded and you
Like I
get
cannot
a
get you.
data set in such a manner, then like what later? What's there after that?
Yeah. Then I have to make 5 phases. Like there should be a judge, there should be a jury, the trial court, and the jury will be putting on the statements in front of the judge. There will be different parts that will be working on their own consequences and on their own responsibilities that they
Can
are
you show me that code?
I cannot show you right now. It's not working. Code. I think I need to get back to you.
Fine. Like this is group number 6, I guess.
No, it's
Which group number are you from?
group 5.
Group 5. Okay, just drop like when you're able to successfully run this code, right? I can see the fine tuning and everything. If you're not able to like show it right now, you can just share your code on the group till the extent
Yeah,
you're that is fine.
Yeah, I'll share you the code by this weekend. So I'll make sure.
Okay. Because see, I can see if you're successfully able to import your Indian Kanun API and then form agents, that much is enough of a success for me to work with you guys further.
Yeah, sure. I'll make sure to send my code and the update of the project by this weekend and let you know the things that I need you help with and your guidance.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Prashant, sir, we can move towards the next group.
Yeah. So for the next, we are going to present for the next group.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
My name is Muskan Dove,
Yeah.
and I am a third year student pursuing BTech with
Yeah.
AI.
Please share your PPT first, then start with the proper introduction.
Okay, sir.
I must mention the number of group as well as like group 5 or group 6.
Okay, sir. Is it visible?
Visible now. Perfectly fine. Do it in a full screen mode.
Yes, sir. Is it visible?
Mm, Not till now. Visible, but not in a full screen mode.
Have it. Hmm. Sir, it is already in full screen mode.
I think you have to share the entire screen rather than just a tab.
Excuse me, what is the group number?
Group
This is
number
a group
6.
number 6.
Okay.
I have shared my own screen.
You have to share the entire screen. It is in the stop the screen sharing, then click on the screen share and then choose the entire screen.
Entire screen.
First cancel the screen sharing. Wait. Now do it again.
Okay.
Click on the share.
Hmm. Entire
Then
screen I have
yeah,
shared.
do the entire screen sharing.
Is it visible?
Yeah, this is visible. Now go into the full screen mode. Slideshow. Yeah, perfectly fine. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Muskan Rohe, a third year student who is pursuing BTech with AIML branch, and my team member name is Sapna Heva. She is right now is not present because of medical reasons, so I will be presenting here. So first of all, my project is AI driven intelligent logistic system tracking and coordination system for multi-station operation. The- So why we need this project? Currently, we are facing some challenges like logistic coordination, operational inefficiency, human dependency, and lack of real-time insights. So this system leverages AI and automation to streamline multi-stations logistic coordination by integrating AI-powered predictive analytics for shipment forecasting, chatbot automation for real-time anomaly detection to identify, and AI-powered dashboard for better visualization and interaction. So why is this important? Currently, we suffer from inefficient due to manual tracking and lack of automation. So AI will improve decision making and reduce the delay and automate responses. So here's the problem statement and solution is hybrid chatbot, rule-based processing and NLP-based processing. Through NLP-based processing, we will implement chatbot for interaction to the users. And this is the data collection and pre-processing methods. So, and we have, sir, can I use bilingual mode? Hello? Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Sir, can I use bilingual mode?
Sorry?
क्या मैं हिंदी में बोल सकती हूँ थोड़ा?
हाँ, go ahead ना. You can use bilingual mode too.
थैंक यू सर. ये यहाँ से डेटा कलेक्शन एंड प्री प्रोसेसिंग का मेथड है. कैगल और यूसीआई एमएल रिपोजिटरी से हम डेटा कलेक्शन कर सकते हैं. मैंने डेटा कलेक्शन भी किया है फॉर लॉजिस्टिक मॉडल. फॉर आई हैव ट्रेन माय लॉजिस्टिक मॉडल, सो आई हैव downloaded my CSV file from Kaggle and pre-process it. And these are the methods how to pre-process the data and where we can collect the data through various websites. And I have used text libraries like Flask for integration of AI and Pandas, NumPy for model training, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Prophet, Transformer, Matplotlib, Sequon, Plotly, and Dash. And AI models are scikit-learn based for ML, NLTK for NLP, and TensorFlow, PyTorch for deep learning and AI models. And for front end, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and database, PostgreSQL, and deployment will be Render, Railway, or GitHub pages.
Okay, Muskan, move towards your methodology, like the
Okay.
steps you have implemented in your code. Do you have that slide?
Yes, sir. Predictive AI for logistic forecasting,
Got it.
and NLP-based chatbot for communication, anomaly detection for logistic bottleneck, connect to database for with PostgreSQL. So can I explain all these?
I'd like to see the code for this now.
Okay, sir. I have trained my model, which is logistic model for.
Can you show your first slide again?
Okay, sir.
First and second slide.
Wait. This
Next.
is the okay.
Next. Yeah. Now go for your code.
Okay.
Now you can show the code now.
Wait. Your mouse is not working. Yeah. So this is my code and model that I have trained. This is the data set that I have extracted. Daily demand forecasting. This is logistic forecasting model. So here's the, I have trained it. So sorry, there is some issue. Yeah. So is it visible? Yeah. तो ये मॉडल है जो मैंने ट्रेन किया है और इसका आउटपुट ये है.
Excuse me. Can you wait a second? Ayushman has left the meeting. He will be coming back. Just wait a second.
I'm audible now, right?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm audible now, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you can start with your data set first.
What?
You can start with your data set. Like, can you explain me your data set? Where did you get your data from? What are the columns?
Okay, wait. Let me show you. So this is the data set, and these are the columns that I have mentioned. Day of the week, non-urgent urgent orders, and टाइप ऑर्डर के टाइप्स हैं और बैंकिंग से रिलेटेड ऑर्डर्स हैं. इस टाइप का डेटा सेट है जो इंटीजर एंड फ्लोट का फॉर्म है.
And where did you get this data set from?
फ्रॉम कैगल.
Okay, can you show me the link for this data set?
You are not audible right now. Hello.
Yeah, can you show me the link to the exact page where you downloaded it from?
Right now, let me.
Yeah, do you have you with you or
So you are not properly audible.
do you have it with you? Do you have linked the dataset page?
So I don't have right now the link, but I have searched from through the GPT and get the link, and through the direct link, I got the data set. Maybe
Okay,
it will.
fine. Just you can send it over on the group later. Just proceed with the code now.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So this is the model that I have trained. Yeah, here is the code, and yes, this is the model that I have trained. So and this is the output of my model. Accuracy rate is 87. That's it. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, you're audible. Go ahead.
I have trained my model using Prophet library, and this model will forecast the order like previous records, uh, related to order details. It predicts the order date. So I have only trained. I haven't uh, mm, done lots of things related to this model. So I'm just training.
So model is fine. You're getting your MSc scores are also within range. Uh, have you worked on the station-based forecasting?
No, sir. I have
Oh, so I'll tell you what another guy from like one of your groups did for the same project. He actually did not take any dataset. He created his own SQL tables for that, but he created a whole system of automated code triggers, which work on the basis of changing values in the database.
like real-time data set.
Yeah, it's kind of a streaming data, but what it does is uh, like whatever, like there are different stations and all of them are coordinating with the same database. Now, what
Okay.
happens is when a particular garrison or a warehouse, basically, not a garrison, is tending to lack, not exactly lacking, but tending to lack in a certain product, it is already triggered and intimated to the previous warehouse to supply that product to the next warehouse. Now, he hasn't worked on the prediction of it yet, but that's his basic idea. You've trained the model and all, but see, the target of this project was to like create an automated supply chain where we don't interfere at all. We run a simulation, and like you can call it a number of simulations. You can have a starting condition. You can have say algorithm that's working inside that simulation, and then you can have like in real time see the output of each level of code. You've done your basic like bubble sort, merge sort, and all that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just think of it as an iteration. You have different input conditions in each starting point. Like you can have different garrisons and warehouses as well as outlets set up. You can like create a like a graph or a tree for that, or a basic DSA thing that would also work. And then you can write your prediction algorithm. This can be your FB profit. It can be some other basic algorithm as well. It does not need, see, it's not about making the big model or using FB Profit or Arima that's known for regression and good like time-based predictions. That is fine. But see, it's you can take the most basic model with a little high MSE score, that's fine, but it should first function inside the system.
Okay, sir.
You can create a basic linear regression model, but I want to see the system.
Okay. I will understand. Understand.
Did you understand what the other guy did? What I
Yes,
explained
yes,
just
yes,
now?
yes.
Start with your like first set up a simulation of what would different kinds of outlets and different kinds of shops would look like. You can take the inspiration from like how Zomato works. You can like read a case study, or
Okay, sir.
Blinkit works actually. How are they supplying orders? How are they maintaining their stockpile? Where are the warehouses located? What is the distance between the warehouses?
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then you can put your basic linear regression model, which just predicts if your quantity of a certain thing is reducing at a rate greater than expected. And then we have to trigger a buyout from a previous warehouse or from the source warehouse. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This can perfectly function without AI as well. Okay, don't think that we have to implement AI, but we have to implement AI. But in any case, your base can work without an AI model as well. You can put up some basic rules if and else cases, and then it would still work. But then we have to introduce AI to provide uniqueness to it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we can move to the next group, sir. Prashant, sir, we can proceed to the next group now. He is not there. I think which is next group which is left to present today? Who is today? Answer is a little busy. So you haven't presented. Hello.
Hello. Students are still in meeting or not? Hello. Looks like everybody has left the meeting now.
Fine, guys. I don't think anyone is left to present today. We can like take it up in the next round.
Wrap it up.
Okay, guys. Thanks for attending.